Happy Thursday. I had a few minutes today and I just wanted to discuss the pros and cons of buying a new build. There's a ton of opportunities in our area to buy a new home, so don't overlook new construction if you're thinking about buying. There are more newly built houses to choose from right now than normal. We call those inventory homes and they come with some big perks. So let's take a look at the top 3 perks of buying a new home. Most home builders offer what we call a 1-2-10 home warranty, so there's less maintenance that you're responsible for. Now this can vary by builder, but in general, the first year covers everything. The second year covers mechanical or major items, and the 10-year covers structural and your foundation. The second perk of buying new is energy efficiency. Some builders even have a special certification based on varying levels of efficiency. This will help cut down on your utility bills, put more money in your pocket each month. The third perk of buying new is builder incentives that could save you money on your purchase. Due to a limited buyer pool, most builders are providing some type of incentive. Examples of incentives some builders are offering are money towards closing costs, reduced home prices, and even special discounted interest rates, which, by the way, some programs are even offering a 2.99%, and it's not variable. So while all these things sound amazing, there's a few things to consider when buying new. If the home isn't finished yet, you may have to wait months before you can move in. If you decide to build from the ground up, and you're not careful with the upgrades that you choose, rising cost of materials could put you over your budget. However, if you want my perspective, buying new is definitely worth it, especially if you're buying a home that's already finished. I can help you find one that's perfect for you, your budget, and your timeline. We have several neighborhoods in the area with many builders to choose from, so let me know below. Would you consider buying a newly built home? Why or why not? Let's discuss some of the questions you still have. When you're ready, let's go shopping. Have a great day.